I'm Scott. I'll be going around to look at what we're doing today for the lab, for the digital logic lab. I know today is kind of like a makeup lab. People are doing several kind of labs. Lab 4, which is like the timer clock. We have lab 7, which is a carry look ahead adder. Then I don't know, he's going to be doing also sequential logic. So I'll just go around, and if you have any issues, we'll be talking about it. And I'll give you maybe some stepwise processes on how to solve the problems and implement your digital logic. So I'll start with lab 4. Yeah. What are you working on?
I'm still on part 1.
Lab 4, part 1.
Yeah, just double checking I've copied all the code over correctly for this part.
Okay. Let's go back to the code generally. Your register here, this value here, the parameter, I think you need to change it to 50 million, right? I think that's not a problem, but you have to change it to 50 million. Pretty sure.
Base code said 50.
Yeah, but you need to change that because if it's 50, it's gonna be too slow.
So it's to increase it to 5,000, so
Yeah.
do that. But I mean, it's probably not going to fix the issue it's giving me.
We have begin. Just let's see. Go back. We have begin. Section of begin.
Yep. If
Begin.
and module.
Okay, let's look at the error again. It's okay. Even if we initialize this, it doesn't really matter. You can just do it like this, right?
It has to be in just G.
Yeah, in there. For this one, this is okay. We can simplify this just in terms of G and P, right? Because C1 is G0. So in this case here, C2 is G1, P1, G0. So that's it. So C3, you take this value here and put here, and then C4, just put there. Is that what you did?
That's what.
But generally, do you, when you multiply, I don't think that this sign is okay. It's supposed to be, is that sign okay? Because that sign looks like, you have a chalk? There's no chalk? I think you wrote maybe let's do C2. C2 was the value?
P1, T1.
P1, C1. Then C1 was kind of equivalent to G0, right?
Yep.
So that means C2 is basically G1 plus, this one is all, right? Kind of all. P1, then C1 here you replace with this one, which is G0. Right?
Yeah.
So, so represent this. How did you do that? I think you did P1 multiplied by this. That's what you wrote, right?
Yeah, for that part.
I don't think so. I think it's supposed to be like that. The logic for that should not be just multiplication. You have to write it in terms of logic, else it's not going to work.
Okay.
Yeah. So you count, you start the counter, this at 0, then it should count up, right? Why is it? Where's the error message?
It should be in flow messages or messages, I think.
So one way that you can do this, rather than opening all at the same time, you can make a new one and open one at a time. Plus, when you see here, you could be reading this file instead of reading the initial one.
It should be the top level file.
Is that the top level entity?
Yeah, I always create the one top level entity and then I just copy and paste the code in so I don't have to change top level files.
Okay, but let me see.
That's probably the first two.
Still
Two.
Oh, okay.
Which,
That should fix maybe. Almost. Okay. I'm coming back. Come. Okay. You come first.
Or I'm not getting it. Add on the first two. So the first three switches.
The pin assignments, where is it?
Yes. I can import it
Yeah,
again.
import it again. Yes.
You have to compile again.
Yeah. Each time you import it, always try to compile it and see. This was the last one. Just this one? Yeah.
That one, I think. No, I think there's one more page.
Okay, no problem. That's it.
Yeah.
Is it top level entity as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe this should be good. Hmm.
Okay. This first one was for the half adder or the full adder?
This is the 2-bit adder.
So the adder.
Yeah.
So let's let me look at the code.
Yeah. So inputs, outputs, LEDs.
Go down. Okay, your carry. Okay, go down. This carry that you have is the carry.
Yeah.
Let's see how carry.
Oh, are these the wrong?
Yeah, I think you need to. Because you use carry, right? But where is carry? Maybe you use it in the.
Oh, it's nowhere.
Yeah, so maybe that's what.
Okay. Is that actually? That's this one.
If you use C, so what you want to do, rather than changing it to carry, it, go back. You already have it right here.
Yeah.
So what is this one for? What is this line for?
It's a great question. I do not know anymore.
Because of the 2-bit you have. Okay, this should be fine. Oh, because another way that you could have done this is like this. You already had this 2-bit adder before, right? So
Yeah.
For me, I instantiated it. So you just call this one rather than doing this all over again. Why do you need to do this? Assign this one again? Because you can just call it and you do.
Oh, yeah. So I can just put these switches straight into
Yeah.
these?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Then that would be better for you.
Saves me code.
Yeah. Maybe use one of the few lines.
Let's see. It's this guy.
Yeah. Exactly like that.
And this guy. Wait, no. This one.
Switch 1, then switch 2, just like that.